everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a Kmart Australia haul. These are some of my absolute favorite videos. I love Kmart. Kmart, it's no surprise, is one of my absolute favorite stores. I could go there every day and just not get bored. And probably buy something every day because there's just too many things that are too good. So in no particular order, I picked up the following. Now I have taken the tag off this. This is just another one of these black long sleeve like t-shirts. I find that these are so good to chuck on just like under jackets. Something when it's a bit colder, you don't want to wear a t-shirt. These are amazing. I highly recommend. I think they're about $7. They do have a fair few different styles as well. So I think I'm going to get maybe more fitted. They're a little bit looser. So yeah, I might try and get that. I didn't get too many things. These white shoes, so these were on special for $5. As you can see, we love these yellow tags. Oh my god. So in their shoe section, they're actually having quite a good sale at the moment, and you can pick up some really good shoes that you could wear like in different years and seasons, if that makes sense. Like they're not going to go out of fashion because they're just staples. So I thought I would try these. I do wear Superga shoes as my white shoes, but I thought when they sort of get a bit dirty or too worn out, I might give these a go. I'm not expecting great things, but yeah, if they're comfortable, then I can definitely switch to Kmart shoes because they're a lot cheaper. These slippers, I absolutely love this style of slipper. So your foot just goes through there. I got these in a 7 to 8. Now usually I get the 9 to 10, but these do stretch. So I thought I'd... Okay, my camera keeps on overheating. I'm so confused. So these slippers, I got them in the smaller size because they do stretch around here quite a bit. So these are actually really new. I've only seen these come out maybe within the last couple of days. And they're at, I think, $8. So they are just my absolute staple around the house. If I'm going to like my mum and dad's house or my in-laws house or anything like that, I just chuck these on and that is my shoe. The Kmart Fake Tan. Now if you haven't tried this, this is so good, but from what I am understanding, I believe that this has been discontinued because I can't find it anymore. So if I do see any on the shelf, I grab it. This is what I use, and it's down to $5. So I wish I bought more when I saw more of it. So if you see it, pick it up because it's an amazing fake tan. This, you guys, I have wanted a gua sha for easily over a year, maybe even 2 years. So I was lucky enough to receive this as a gift. So this is the Uplift White Crystal. That's what the packaging looks like, just in case you're trying to find it. So thank you to my mother-in-law who found it. Gee, like so amazing. So you just basically like use it to push your skincare around, from what I understand. I need to look into it more, but it just feels so nice. I really like it. I believe that these are $8 and they come in the jade and also rose quartz. I wasn't phased on what color, what crystal I wanted, but I just wanted one of these. And it just says, apply your facial serum or oil and use this tool to gently massage into your face. It doesn't say if this is like a real crystal or not, but like it definitely sounds like it is. Two more things. So I was again lucky enough to receive a new phone. This is an iPhone 13 Pro. So excited. Best camera I've ever experienced. So I picked up one of these glass screen protectors, which is on the phone at the moment. Turn that off. So yeah, it's on there. You can see all the mess in the background. Really, really seamless. I definitely recommend. So you just get one, which is fine. The wet wipe, the dry wipe, and a dust absorption sticker. My husband put it on. He was next to me when he was doing it. He didn't seem to have any issues. Maybe he was meant to use this sticker. It has this. I'm assuming this was the dust absorbing thing. But yeah, really, really simple to put together and very effective. So if I do, hopefully not, but if I do drop it, hopefully just the cover breaks and not the actual phone. And the last thing I picked up, which was something I was looking for work, is one of these monthly planners, which I wanted for my desk. And I wanted it to be quite big. So I picked this up for $10. This was one of the last ones. Yeah, I just like to put things down that I might forget, and so I can be a little bit more organized. So yeah, that is everything I picked up. Again, I absolutely love Kmart. This will not be my last Kmart haul. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.